Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PS5 Pro Guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your PlayStation 5 console. Carefully remove the console from the packaging. Place the PS5 in a well-ventilated area. Ensure that the surface is flat and sturdy. Connect the power cable to the back of the console. Plug the other end into a power outlet. Locate the HDMI cable included in the box. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the PS5. Attach the other end of the HDMI cable to your TV or monitor. Turn on your TV and switch to the appropriate HDMI input. Press the power button on the front of the PS5 to turn it on. Wait for the console to boot up completely. Select your language from the on-screen options. Follow the prompts to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password if required. Once connected, follow the instructions to set up your account. You can either create a new account or log in with an existing PlayStation Network account. Accept the terms of service to continue. The console will then check for system software updates. If an update is available, allow it to download and install. After the update, you'll be prompted to customize your settings. Adjust settings like data tracking and privacy options to your preference. Next, insert a game disc if you have one, or navigate to the PlayStation Store to download games. Follow the on-screen instructions to install any game or application. Once installed, you'll find your games on the home screen. Explore the settings menu to configure audio and display preferences. Adjust the resolution, refresh rate, and sound options as needed. Set up your user profile and link any existing media services you use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.